enjoy when the principal of the school pushes for appreciation days like this for Veterans Day. And they've been doing this since I've been with the school district, going on 15 years. So I really take it, I really enjoy it, that not so much for myself, but for the local veterans, especially those that have children here at the school. It really makes them feel welcomed and appreciated.
I served in the U.S. Army from 1968 to 1974.
To our veterans, just a big, big thank you for your service, for your sacrifice, to yourself, to your family. We appreciate you very much, and we just want to wish all of you a happy Veterans Day.